Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have the DeLonghi magnific espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because it was not grinding the beans properly and it was just making a mess inside. And that was basically the infuser. The infuser was not getting to the grind position, which would be this position that you see right here. And that's because it was completely dry. It doesn't even have any kind of lubrication inside or anything like that. And that was forcing the transmission really badly, and it was misaligning. That's the reason it was not getting all the way to that position where the beans, whenever you grind coffee, it will go straight to that little hole, and it will fill the chamber inside the infuser. So if this is not lubricated well enough, it won't have no space, or it won't actually be in the right position, and that's the reason it was making a huge mess. So we replaced the infuser, descaled the machine, we cleaned pretty much everything around it, the spouts as well, and we replaced the o-ring from the generator, they cleaned as well, and yeah, it was a very good cleaning. So starting with the shot of espresso, we're gonna test out the machine, then we're gonna use the hot water and then the steam. Water, which is great. One perfectly pack in here, no mess or any grounds all around the machine or anything like that. And now for the hot water. Or in this case steam, because I forgot to put the hot water. Nice steady stream coming out of the spouts. We should have some pressure right now. Okay, now that the machine got the temperature. The steamer is working perfectly fine, and it's making a really good temperature, working perfectly. And now we're going to use hot water. It's going to shoot a little bit of steam because we already used the steamer, but then it's going to come back to temperature, and it will just give us a nice steady steam. You can see nice steady stream of hot water coming out of the machine. And there you have it, the DeLonghi Magnifica working once again. So thank you for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.